Finding new workers is a really important part of scaling up and building your team. So how can you find good new workers? Well, my preferred way is to ask your current workers to put out the word. Then pay them a cash bonus twice. I pay them $400 upfront for the referral after someone's joined the team to start with. Then I pay another $400 6 weeks down the track if that person is still with us. So that helps for the worker that recommended them to be invested in this new worker. But of course, there is other ways too. You can just put out the word to clients, to family and friends, run an ad on your social media. I find that because people find my business, I get approached almost once a week with new people just wanting to join the team, and a lot of them are already skilled in the industry. But then the question of how to filter out the good workers, people that really fit your business, well, that's a question for a future video. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button.